Hi, my little friends! Today, Bunda Suci is going to show you how to draw an animal from the number 7. First, let's draw the number 7. Great job! Now, do you know what animal I'm going to draw? Try to guess! Have you figured it out? What animal do you think I'm drawing? Yes, that's right. We're drawing a mouse from the number 7. When you hear the word mouse, how do you feel? Scared? Curious? Or maybe you think it's cute? A mouse is a small and quick little animal that loves to look for food. Even though it sometimes seems mischievous, mice actually play an important role in nature, like helping spread plant seeds. Interesting, right? Can you name some cartoon characters that are mice? I'm sure you know a few. For example, there's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Jerry from Tom and Jerry, Speedy Gonzales, and even Stuart Little. Can you think of any others? Tell me your favorites. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, okay? It will make Bunda Suci even more excited to create more fun videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!